Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide YouTube channel full guide. Follow these step-by-step actions to hide your channel from public view. I will walk you through account settings, channel visibility options, and video level controls in plain language. Expect clear, practical steps that anyone can follow, plus safety tips to avoid accidental deletion or loss of access. Stay with me for simple checks and quick fixes. Start in YouTube Studio and go to Settings, then Channel, and Advanced Settings to review privacy choices. I explain when to pick private, unlisted, or to remove your channel from search results. You will learn how to bulk edit videos, check link services, and manage comments while hiding content. I also cover how collaborators and playlists behave so you don't accidentally expose a video. Quick recommendation: if you want to reclaim editing time, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which vacuums on schedule and responds to voice control for hands-free cleaning. It helps keep your workspace tidy during long editing sessions and adds a little tech fun to your routine. If that sounds useful, subscribe and like if this video helped, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Be mindful that removals can be permanent, but hiding is usually reversible, so I show safe steps first. I explain how to verify that a channel is truly private and how to clear cached search results over time. You will get tips on managing linked accounts, checking embeds, and rescinding access for collaborators. These quick checks prevent accidental exposure and keep your content under control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.